Welcome to Housekeeping Master. Today, we are taking a look at a gadget that promises to revolutionize your quick breakfasts and snack routines. We all know the struggle of trying to boil eggs or heat up a quick meal in a dorm room, a small office, or while out on a camping trip. Sometimes, you just do not have the space or the setup for a full kitchen. Enter the GLEAVI single-layer boiler and steamer. This compact device claims to be the ultimate solution for people on the go who want healthy, hot food without the fuss. Let us start with the design. It is incredibly small and lightweight, measuring about 16.5 centimeters all the way around. Because it is made from durable polypropylene material, it is sturdy yet easy to pack into a bag. If you are a student or someone who travels frequently, the portability factor here is a huge selling point. It fits easily into tight spaces, making it a perfect addition to a minimalist kitchen or a travel kit. The operation is remarkably straightforward. It comes with a dedicated measuring cup that tells you exactly how much water to add to the rack. You pour the water in, place your eggs or food on the tray, plug it into your standard 110-volt outlet, and let the machine handle the rest. In just a few minutes, you have perfectly cooked boiled eggs or steamed food. It is not just for eggs, either. It is a multifunctional unit that handles heating up small portions of food, which is great if you are tired of relying on a microwave at the office. Now, let us get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, the ease of use is its biggest strength. You do not need to be a chef to get consistent results. Cleaning is also a breeze, which is often the deal-breaker for these types of small appliances. Because of the materials used, most food residue wipes away with minimal effort. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Since this is a single-layer device, it is definitely designed for personal use. You will not be cooking for a crowd here. It is a niche tool for individuals who need quick, singular servings. Also, since it uses a standard US plug, make sure your local voltage is compatible before you buy. In conclusion, if you are looking for a compact, budget-friendly way to steam or boil food without needing a stove or a large appliance, this GLEAVI steamer is a solid contender. It solves the specific problem of quick, healthy eating in environments where traditional cooking is just not an option. It is functional, it is portable, and it gets the job done without overcomplicating things. If this sounds like the missing piece for your office desk or your camping gear, you might want to check it out. Link in the description.